The best 10 ways to take care of your skin. Let's make it simple, like I like. So our life builds on habits, from our morning coffee or tea to the side of the bed we sleep on. Our routine shapes our days and our bodies. It's not always good because it's autopilot, but that's for another issue. I'm not gonna go that rabbit hole now. Anyway, while the term habit can be also negative, we can also create good habits that will affect our feelings, our how we show up, and how our life goes. So let's talk skincare habits. Number one, wash your face. Washing your face removes dirt, oils, and bacteria that accumulate and make your pores appear larger. You should wash your face when you wake up, gently to remove dirt, and again before bed to remove makeup if you use makeup, and remove the dirt and remove the day. And also, if you in the middle of the day sweat and work out, it's better to wash the face. It's the basic. You want to have this clear and clean canvas. I personally recommend to use, if you use a makeup, then to remove the makeup with a makeup remover and a gentle cleanser. Easy. Number two, very, very important pillar of your health is sleep. Get more sleep. Beauty sleep is a real thing. So our body needs a good restored sleep. It's not every time about the amount of hours, but it's a lot about the quality of the hours that can rejuvenate and repair. It's like, visiting a fountain of youth every night. Our skin produces collagen when we sleep. To maintain strong, deep hygiene, we want to have our room pretty cool, like 18 degrees Celsius. Dark environment. Try to unwind like 30 minutes before you go to bed with no blue light. I love to meditate before bed because it slows down my brain waves and gives me a very good quality sleep. That it doesn't have to be as longer as before. It's just that I can stay longer in these good slow brain waves, then my face just gain from that. Number three, breathe fresh air. We don't live in a bubble. So we have heavy air pollutions, we have smoke, and artificial fragrance can harm our skin health. And so if you can't avoid these, of course, mostly we cannot, just help prepare your skin with shifting to non-toxic products on your skin. And also, if you use like this air freshener, stay away from the toxic one. Use essential oils, just spray them around. Use flowers, natural flowers, and go out to nature to breathe fresh air. Number four, use antioxidants. Antioxidants, what is it? Okay, we have free radicals out there everywhere, and they cause damage to our skin and bodies. They are generated from fried food, alcohol, the pollution, and a lot of things. And free radicals called antioxidants. It's important you can eat them in good food, like a lot of berries have them. You can have them in your skincare. One of the beautiful antioxidants that I love to use is vitamin E. Vitamin C is good. Have a cup of green tea is also rich with antioxidants. But try to combine them in your day to help fight the free radicals and slow down aging. Number five, exfoliate your face. You want to remove the dead skin cells layer from your face. In time, the turnover of the cell slow down. When we have a lot of dead skin cells, the products that we use cannot penetrate the skin good, and also there is no, the rejuvenation of the skin is slower. But don't over exfoliate. Once, twice a week maximum is enough, and look for a gentle exfoliator that it's not gonna scratch your face. In the blog, in Pure Blogs, there's tons of do-it-yourself recipes if you like to play around with easy ingredients. Nothing is complicated there, but exfoliate your face once, maximum twice a week with a gentle one. Number 6, yes, exercise regularly. I know it sounds not connected, but exercise helps increase the blood flow, drawing oxygen to your body, help detox toxins, and decrease stress, which is a big factor of how we appear and how we feel and how we sleep. So improves sleep quality and just get your overall health in better shape, rise up your energy. You feel good from the inside, it shows out. Number 7, no matter what your skin type is, use a moisturizer. Using a moisturizer every day is important for all skin type. Yes, also oily skin type, because the skin needs oils. So choose the one, of course, that is right for your skin and that will benefit your skin the most. I try to make your life easier and simple when the face cream that I create are for the day and the night, so you don't need 2. You can only use 1, but use them, yeah, and not this just random cream you found and you use on the body, on the face. Your face needs extra care. Use moisturizer no matter what your skin type is. Number 8 sounds like a cliche, but works all the time. Drink water. Drinking water feeds the skin from the inside. Dehydrated skin looks dull, looks tired, feels itchy, and it can also enhance dark areas around the eyes and the nose. For example, when you drink alcohol or a lot of coffee, it dehydrates you and your skin. So drinking plenty of water keeps your skin hydrated and can give it this healthy glow. I like to add a zest of lemon, because lemon is alkaline and it's refreshing, and it actually helps me to drink more water. Number 9, wear SPF like it's your job. Sunscreen every day of the year. The sun is the fastest aging factor, and there's so much sun damage, like pigmentations, like early aging, dehydrating. And it's not only the sun directly, it's also different kind of lights. And I don't know what's going on with all our gadgets and radiation. I don't know, but I don't want to take this risk. So every day of the year, even if I'm in a cave, I will put SPF on my skin as my morning routine. This is the basic of anti-aging. Number 10, last one, read the ingredient list on your product. You don't need to understand everything, but know that what comes first mostly has the highest percentage in your product. Same with food. When you buy food and you see sugar as number 1, you know that the product contains most sugar. Same with skincare. So read, like if you see the first ingredients are like natural stuff, it means that the product is more natural. If you see the first ingredients, paraben and sulfates and all these long horrible stuff, make a better choice for yourself and for your health. Healthy glowing skin is achievable, and I'm here to help you. So if you're new to natural products, or if you're already familiar with Pure's Yummy's product, a good place to start with is to look at the bundles, because they save you time and money, that you can get like all your cleansing routine at once in a better price, or your morning and night hydration or whatever. I will put the link below, and I'm here to help, seriously, to answer any question and help you make a healthy, simple and effective way to have the best skin of your life.